Hey guys, welcome again. I have a recorded video where I was helping one of my friend to get started with staking drip. So stay tuned. Tap the menu.
There's 3 lines.
Yes,
The 3 dots, 3 lines.
3 lines.
Okay.
And then tap swap. Oh, sorry, no, before that, connect wallet. Connect wallet.
Mm-hmm.
And then trust wallet. Click connect. Okay, we are done now. Close it. And then go back to menu again.
Back.
Then click swap.
Swap.
Scroll down.
No more. Scroll more.
Yes, to buy drip. Yes, wait
There's
there.
here.
Yes, you can see your balance in Trust Wallet there for your PNP balance. And then there you can type 0. How much do you want to spend?
That number.
No, you shouldn't.
Well, I can spend all of that because what am I going to do with BNB? I don't know.
Okay.
Must I put all?
No, don't put all
Must I put
because you still. No, don't put all because you
Oh,
still.
you need the gas fees.
Yeah. So
Oh, you
put
need
0.
3%.
Yes. So put
Okay, let's
0.
calculate 3%. What's 3%? What
No.
is 3% for that?
Wait.
Are you calculating?
Put 0.9. 0.92.
92.
Yes. And then change the slippage.
How do you change that?
Click that setting sign next to where you are putting the number on top of 3%. Yeah, there.
Mm-hmm.
Click 1.
Mm-hmm.
No, click check
Mm-hmm.
1. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then click buy.
Click buy.
Buy.
But you didn't change that buddy number or something you had on that
Yeah, we're still
messages?
going there. We're still going. Click approve.
Or we still getting there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Click approve.
Approved. Oh, but that buddy address or this multi address here?
Yeah, don't worry about that one. Just follow my step.
Press. Okay. Okay. High risk detected.
Click continue anyway.
Okay. Sure. You see, you know, and you expected people to just know this. Buy successful.
Yeah, click OK. Yeah, the moment they see that caution and they'll say, this is a
Okay.
scam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now.
And then now click menu again. Scroll up.
See again the 3 lines.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Click faucet.
Mm-hmm.
Scroll down.
More.
Yes. Okay, now I'm gonna send you my body address, ne?
Isn't you got it on the SMS there? Okay, send it.
Yeah, I'll send it on what? No,
More.
you passed that part. Go up. Yeah, there on body, under body.
This one, yeah, buddy.
Yes. Tap and paste it there.
Where the hell is it gone to now?
Paste it.
Yeah. Right place, correct?
And then scroll down. Scroll down.
Mm-hmm.
Click update.
Where is it?
Update under the address that you pasted. No. Up, go up.
Okay, yeah. How long will it take?
No, it's just instantly.
Need to do something quickly, that's why.
Approve.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, body updated. Click OK. Scroll up. Wait. Whoa. Going to deposit now.
Just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Just a minute, please.
Okay.
Sorry.
Click continue anyway.
Continue.
Yes.
So why do they call it iris?
It's because it's not part of Trust Wallet. Click
Oh,
confirm. Yes.
but approve.
Yes. Click yes. Approve. Sorry. Click continue anyway. We are done now. Click OK. Scroll up. There is your.
Oh, there's
See.
the deposit. Yeah.
Yeah. So now you see starting counting there under available. That's where you withdraw. When you see, you will see your profit there under available. That's what you have. You can withdraw by. If you want to withdraw, you click claim. Scroll down.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
Yes, you click claim. If you want to compound, you click hydrate.
So
So
when
like
do you
if
put hydrate? When do you click
like
hydrate?
if let's say tomorrow will wake up, maybe you are having 2 drip or 3 drip. So if
Mm-hmm.
now you want to add the 3 drip to your initial uh, deposit,
Click
and then you
hydrate.
click hydrate.
But now you have to show us how to go in and how to go out of this thing.
It's easy. You just click the cross sign the top left.
All right. So now what happens? Must I
Just click
go out of here?
just click the cross sign there. You will always have the
Yeah.
link saved on your browser. Yeah, and then click wallet.
Click wallet. Okay.
And then you're out like that. To go back, you click browser.
Oh, you have to click browser first.
Yes. And then
Uh-huh.
there
And
is
then you
your
click
link, your link under history. You click there,
top
the
one.
first
Yeah.
one. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
And then
then
I'll click hydrate tomorrow.
go up. It depends anytime because if you keep on clicking hydrate, then it will chow your PNB. So you have to at least keep um some few coins, maybe
Oh,
five,
you need the
10, because
BNB
anytime
every time you.
sorry.
I say it uses up your BNB every
Yes,
time you click hydrate.
exactly. Even now, you can
So
withdraw
how
this
often do you
this
do it?
zero. Even now, if you want to withdraw, there's no minimum withdrawal. You can withdraw this 0.13, but it will charge
Mm-hmm.
your PNP for transaction fees.
Mm-hmm. So you just leave it to compound and compound.
Yeah, you compound if you're having more coins, a
So how
reasonable
often
coins,
do
by
you
the
click
way.
hydrate? How often do you click hydrate?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like you hydrate